All right, so check this out. What was against the back wall, right, was a sheet that's hanging out over there. See it over there? That sheet right there. That sheet to match these sheets. And I thought, well, oh no, what's behind it? Oh no, you know, is it going to be... No, it's not. It's just an ugly piece of disgusting rat piss infested wood that is adding weight to the trailer. Unbelievable. This segment, this piece here, there were two rivets here. See right there and right there. See those? And that was these two holding that thing, making no sense at all. Anyway, this piece right here is held on. There were 3 screws down here, boom, 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 to hold this front piece on. See the front piece right there? Which if I use again will be just relaminated with white. And then the bones, the shell here, right, was just kind of like 2 rivets to the back shell, to the chassis. And then last screw here. Boom, okay. Now this piece should just, this whole section should just come out. I'm glad I'm making a video of this. By the way, this piece here was held together, right, by 2 screws. One there and one there. And those screws were just through the bottom. See the holes right there? And that's where it was done. So that's as complicated as that got. And now this piece should just come out. Look. Oh, hello. Look at that. So there's the bones to the extra wardrobe, if you will, piece. That was there. Okay?